wag nyo nang i-mention dito ang ICC. Sapagkat nai-insulto po ako eh. Pag binimension ng ICC. Oho. Wala akong obligasyon sa ICC. At dapat wag ditong i-mention niya ang ICC niyan. Alright? This is an independent investigation domestically for our nation. Panghuli na lang, before we suspend this hearing, there are 4 things I would like to manifest to all. No? I'm asking the victims to come out. Attorney Conti, no? I'm asking the victims to come out. I'm asking that you stop the rally outside and come here, inside. I've already directed Colonel Cunanan, no? And particularly, we will be directing the Sergeant at Arms to provide security, no? Siyempre, pagpasok dito, medyo kakapkapan yan, kung meron dala yan, whatever it is. But we're going to allow them to come here. So I'm asking the victims to come out. Kasi, ang sinasabi ng Deputy Director of Operations sa NBI, 52 lang ang iniimbestigahan eh. Ano reason? Because the victims are not coming out. Yun ang reason doon. Okay? Ngayon, this is now open. Is now open sa investigation. Hindi na po makakatanggi ang law enforcement agencies, not anymore, to make this quite important. Because right now, Congress is investigating it. So number 1, I am actually challenging and asking the victims to come out. At number 2, kung pwede lang, wag nyo nang i-mention dito ang ICC. Sapagkat nai-insulto po ako eh. Pag binimension ng ICC. Oho. Wala akong obligasyon sa ICC. At dapat wag ditong i-mention niya ang ICC niyan. Alright? This is an independent investigation domestically for our nation. Pangatlo po, sa ating mga sa router dito, ang maganda dyan is for us to be able to get justice. It is not enough that the truth should come out. We need to make it sure we have the facts that can be proven in courts. So, Mr. The next time na pumunta ka dito, I hope that hindi ka na magiging marites lang, that you have evidences to show us, no? Para maging maganda naman ang ating. We want documents produced. We want witnesses to come out if we want justice. I do not want this investigation to go to waste. Why? Because we are spending the people's money here. Right now, this investigation is costing us millions of the people's money. Di ba? I mean, you who are taxpayers, we are actually spending money on this. At kung wala tayong magagawa dito, sa mga biktima natin, we're wasting our time here. Wag na natin pang maggumastos tayo at the expense of the people's money. Okay. Kaya, our duty here is not to judge nor prosecute. Okay? But to investigate in aid of legislation and to ferret out the truth. So yun po lamang ang gusto kong sabihin sa lahat. And I would like also to put on record the letter of Police Lieutenant Colonel Jovi Espinido explaining his absence. Ito ang sabi, no? And I would like the Major of the Philippine National Police to take note of this. Anong reason niya? Sabi niya, I am sad to inform you that I will not be able to attend for 3 reasons. Number 1, short notice. Short notice. Okay. Number 2, 3 airlines in Tacloban, Manila have no open schedule. Number 3, expensive fare. Ito nyo, talaga expensive fare mas mura pa pumunta ng Taiwan kaysa pumunta ng Batanes. Alright? So yan, ang kanya reason dito. Pero, sabi niya, he would like to attend. In fact, he even mentioned a Bible verse here. Can you imagine a police lieutenant colonel mentioning a Bible verse? General Bakay. Ang sabi niya rito, defend the poor and the fatherless, do justice to the afflicted and needy. Psalm 82:3. Which is what this committee believes in. So magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po.
Magre-reiterate lang ako ng invitation.
So, sige, bigyan po natin si Congresswoman kaso dito.
Para sa next hearing lang, Mr. Chair,
Yes.
no, para maalala. kasi wala yung DOJ, Mr. Chair, so kailangan pa rin natin po dito si Solgen, no? Former SOJ Guevara. Tapos, so syempre, gusto rin natin makasama siguro yung NBI officials, si Director De Lemos, at saka si Vicente de Guzman III. Tapos po si former PNP Chief Vicente Danao. Meron po akong mga tanong dyan, Mr.
So we
Chair.
have invited him. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi nag-attend.
Okay. Doon naman sa 2017 accomplishment report ng OP, so sana nandito pa rin si
No? Did anyone make a
Medjalla.
motion for the show cause order for General Danao?
Mr. Chairman, during just this morning, I mentioned about the presence of the former PNP Chief, OAC, PNP Chief General Danao. And unfortunately, COMSEC told me na hindi po na direktang ma-confirm if indeed he received the invitation. So that's why I reiterated my motion just this morning na we will invite General Danao again on the next hearing and we will course through it sa PNP po.
Okay.
Yes.
That invitation.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Sana nandito pa rin po si ES Medaldea kasi darating po yung copy nung yung executive report. Tapos, Manila Station, Police Superintendent Robert Domingo. Kasi para dun po sa mga
Punta ka na
vigilante
lang
killings.
dito in support of the committee.
Yeah. Tapos, syempre, nandyan din dapat si, Mr. Chair, nandyan din dapat ulit si Colonel Patay. May mga tanong din pa rin po
Patay.
tayo.
Huwag patay.
Ay,
Patay.
Colonel Patay.
Ayan.
Tapos yung mga na-mention ko, Mr. Chair, na mga Davao Boys, saka minention din po ni Colonel Patay. Tapos yung current Station 6 Commander, nang may records na dapat ng previous police ops, no, na binanggit natin kanina. Others po, yung 28 names provided po ng committee, isa lang umaten si Colonel Patay. Tsaka yung long list po ng documentation na ni-request natin on various agencies provided by the committee.
I have the list here given to me by Major... Sino po yun? Kalimutan ko yung pangalan niya eh. Major, no? Ayasin Santos, no? Siya ba? Yung sa personnel. Okay. She gave me the 28 names dito. At ang nagpunta si Colonel Lito Patay, Colonel Edelberto Leonardo is optionally retired. Hindi siya nagpunta, no? Okay. Colonel Jovi Espinido, we're going to invite him again. Lieutenant Colonel Antonio Rivera, compulsory retired. Police Captain Junicio Abude, compulsory retired. Police Lieutenant Florencio Fabo, compulsory retired. Ito pong si, ano yung PEM? Sandy Bedo Ventura, SPO4, no match found in Pais. Ano ibig sabihin nun, no match found in Pais? Ano ibig sabihin nun? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nakalagay, no match found in Pais.
Sir, sa PAIS po natin, sir, pag tinatype po yung pangalan nila, wala pong nag-a-appear na PNP personnel, sir.
So therefore, ano pong ibig sabihin nun?
Um,
Being retired PNP personnel, anong ibig sabihin nun? Kung hindi nag-a-appear sa inyo,
pag wala pong nag-a-appear, sir,
walang record.
yes, sir, no record sa na PNP personnel, ganun, sir. No record sa
So they
PNP.
will not be considered a wall.
No, sir. Kasi wala as in walang record sa PNP, sir.
Can you please try again to contact them,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Please.
We
These
have-
28 names.
We have given you 2 versions, sir. Kasi yung iba, like si PM Sonny Buenaventura, but nung nag-verify ulit kami, sir, may lumabas po na SPO4, Sanson, sir, not Sunny.
Okay.
And then yung iba po, sir, iba po yung rank, like patrolman po yung nakalagay, pero same name, patrolman Ronald Lau, but we have PLT call Ronald Lau, not patrolman.
Colonel na, no?
Yes, sir.
From
So,
patrolman to colonel? Bang galing naman,
hindi
no?
po, baka mali po yung naibigay na
Mali.
list sa amin, sir.
Ang galing naman, no? Bira. Gusto ko na maging pulis pa ganyan. Oh.
Yes, sir. And we have Patrolman Renante Medina. Ang binigay pong list sa amin is Patrolman. But nung nag-search po kami, may Renante Medina, pero PCMS po yung rank sa base sa PAI, sir. As to others, sir, yung 5, sir, talagang pag tinatype namin yung June na resma, sir, wala pong nag-a-appear na record sa PNP. So, baka hindi po June yung name niya, sir. Baka may ibang, yung full name niya, sir. Baka
Okay,
nickname lang,
please
sir.
help us in the next
Yes, sir.
hearing to invite this again.
Yes, sir.
At
Yes,
kapag
sir.
hindi pa nag-appear to, let Congress be the one to direct the Philippine National Police to arrest them.